Here's some very exciting news for those of you looking to find a new way to tighten that skin and reduce fat. It's called the Exilis treatment. Dr. Jeffrey Raval was the first to offer this procedure in Denver, and he's one of the few double board certified facial plastic surgeons in the country by the American Board of Facial Plastic Surgery and the American Board of Head and Neck Surgery. And he visited with Denise recently about this remarkable treatment.
Tell me about this unique treatment. I already know a little bit about it because I've experienced it myself.
Okay, well, it's a radio frequency device that the new thing about it is that with the radio frequency device and the technology, we're able to concentrate heat to a certain level below the skin, targeting mostly the fat cells. It kills the fat cells and then it immobilizes them and then they get cleared by the body. There's a different setting that we can also use that can tighten the skin as well. And it's a great way to modestly reduce some fullness and fat. You know, it's a great place for areas like the love handles, or if someone has just a little bit of extra bulge that they're trying to, even though with diet and exercise they just can't get rid of it.
What, doctor? What are you talking about?
Or, you know, it also works great under the chin.
Yeah.
And then we even have a skin tightening protocol where we can even tighten the skin up along the face as well.
Okay, explain to me again, though, how it works. What do you do during the procedure?
It's very simple, and Melissa will show you this, but we basically turn it on, and as it is heating up at a deeper level below the skin, we have sensors and special sensors that not only measure the temperature, so it reduces the pain or the discomfort of the heat, but there's even a cooling mechanism on the machine that helps keep the skin cool and protected as well.
Okay, Misty, you're like perfect. What area of the body are you going to have done?
Well, today we're going to do my stomach just for demonstration purposes, but what I had done were just certain areas on my thighs that I just couldn't target with exercise.
And you saw a difference?
I saw a big difference.
Okay, the clothes were fitting better. Was it tightening, the skin tightening?
I did both. I did the fat reduction and the skin tightening. And so in those little areas, it just really came off. I saw a huge difference both in the mirror and in my jeans.
Again, you've probably heard of a lot of different machines out there. This is the Exilis 303-381-FACE, 303-381-3223. And she's going to do the demonstration, doctor?
Yep. Why don't you go ahead and show her. So to get a little bit better conduction, we also give you a little bit of oil to kind of let it run a little bit more smoothly.
So there's like a pad that you can just put on your back, and you clip
this
to
is
it
the brownie
with the
pad, yeah, because it is a monopolar device. How does this come down?
We have to lower.
Okay.
So we're going to bring her back down, and then this usually is about a 20-minute procedure. And again, we have a monitor that kind of monitors the temperature, so it's really quite a comfortable procedure. I've had it done myself. We have actually my before and after pictures also that we're going to show today. And it really just over time helps mobilize the fat and tighten the skin as well.
And what areas of the body? Now, I'll be honest, I had it done on my hips here because that's where I seem to gain my my fat. I don't know if it's because I'm sitting all the time in my work or what, but I'll try and get that target area, and it doesn't help. But the Exilis, I've really seen a difference there.
Nice reduction. Yeah, and we're really seeing that. It's those problem areas, the people that say, you know, I just want a little bit taken in here and there. This is the perfect machine for that. It's a non-surgical treatment that we do in the office. There's no downtime. You basically get the treatment and then you get up and you go. Even the redness tends to only stay for that day maybe in that area, and then it tends to come down.
And it's pretty simple. You said it takes like 20 minutes. As she's going to demonstrate on Misty's stomach area, I also want to talk about the skin tightening. You mentioned the chin area. And can it be used on the face to give it that extra
It can be used on the face, yeah. We've even had some people. Now, we don't have, we just got the machine, so we don't have any great before and afters for the face, but we have some that we'll show you from another doctor. But see, what you see is Melissa's doing now is we're slowly giving it energy, and we're slowly heating up the skin. On her monitor, she is monitoring the temperature to make sure she gets up to the ideal temperature where we know she will have the most therapeutic results. But also, it's not so warm that Misty is going to get uncomfortable.
Okay.
As she starts getting up to the ideal temperature, and to keep it there, we slowly reduce the amount of energy that's going in, and we just do this over the next 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the area of the body.
Misty, how's that feeling right now?
It's actually just slightly warm right now, and like a massage. And as it gets warmer, you know, I just tell Melissa that I need to turn it down, and then once it hits that point, she can do that gradually and keep me comfortable.
So with this procedure, is it just that area, or would they also do the sides of the stomach too?
It all depends on what people need.
Well,
you know, I had my whole abdomen and my little love handles taken care of.
Love handle stuff.
And then
have pictures,
and then we've done like sides of the thighs, inner thighs, like Misty said she had done, neck, face, arms works really well.
Yeah.
We've even had people had some wrinkling of their abdomen that we were not only able to reduce the fat, but we were able to tighten the skin as well.
Tell me about this case.
So
right
here's
here.
another case of 4 treatments along the entire face. And you can see it's just a tighter looking appearance after 4 treatments. The jaws are improved, the wrinkles around the mouth, the forehead. Here's an under the chin, 4 treatments under the chin, what we call the submental fat. Again, just a very nice improvement, non-surgical. It's not like liposuction. This is me.
That's you?
Yeah, I had my abdomen
Dang,
treated.
Dr. Raval.
Yeah, I had 4 treatments. Now, I also saw the improvement after 2 treatments, and it kind of gave me the motivation to kind of be a little bit more conscious about my diet and exercise. I do exercise. I've always exercised. But again, that's me afterwards at about 6 pounds lighter, 6-7 pounds lighter. A lot of it, again, I can't say it was all the Exilis, but it did give me the motivation to lose the weight and watch my diet.
I'm telling you right now, you're getting phone calls at 303-381-FACE, and they're saying, can I have the doctor with the 6-pack abs?
Yeah, exactly.
And right here?
This is another patient of ours, and she had 6 treatments. No, was it 6 treatments? 6 treatments to her abdomen. You can see that she had a nice reduction in her abdominal area as well.
Misty, how are you feeling right now? Doing good?
I feel good. I just asked Melissa to turn it down a little because I got to a point where I was feeling a little warmer. So.
And when I actually had it done, I noticed it after the first treatment. I lost a couple centimeters.
Yes.
But it takes 4 to 6 treatments, you said, right?
Yes, 4 to 6 treatments, and we noticed that the improvement actually can occur as much as a month out.
Okay.
So people will see an improvement, and they will see continued improvement weeks later.
And the average treatment for a typical patient?
Usually needs anywhere from 4 to 6.
4 to 6, okay. I just really wanted to nail that home. And when you go to your office, you also offer so much more. Botox.
Yes, we offer
fillers.
we offer
Everything.
pretty much everything. And we have certain clubs and ways to save money on treatments as well.
Okay, you just need to contact Dr. Raval. Good job, girl. And get that skinny belly away from me. No pretty girls on this show.